Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the inverse tool to set your direction in any direction field. So I'm going to do this in my direction intersection tool, but any field that you are going to be putting a bearing or angle you can do this in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner. Within my main menu here, I'm going to click on Calculations and then the Traverse/Intersection tool, the second on the left here. Within this menu here, I'm going to make sure that I have my method set to direction, and I'm going to set a start point for the point of today's video. I'm just going to use point number 9. Once I have that selected, I'm going to double click in my direction field option here. It's going to pop up with a menu where I'm going to want to click on the inverse tool option. Next, to set the bearing that I'm going to use, as I said, I'm going to use the inverse tool. So all I have to do is click on a start point. In my case, I'm going to use point 8, and I'm going to get the bearing between point 8 and 2. So my endpoint will be point 2. Once I have that selected, I can click on close. And you can see here the direction now has the bearing that exists between those 2 points, which in this case is 165 degrees. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the inverse tool to get the direction between 2 points of the bearing that intersects 2 points within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius to use in any of your bearing fields. And if you have a moment, I please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.